In today's context, mga classmates, Lord, let our eyes be open is a powerful metaphor for seeking truth and guidance amidst confusion, darkness, or uncertainty. It reminds us, mga classmates, of the importance of identifying our needs, acknowledging our limitations, and turning to God for direction and healing. Mga classmates, one of the most challenging things we need to ask from the Lord so we can follow Him faithfully is discernment. Personally, this is one of the most difficult for me. Why? Because mga classmates, I'm an alpha female and have a strong personality. Thus, I always fear that I may do things that I believe serve the Lord. Yet that's not what He wants me to do. Do you have that kind of fear, mga classmates? It is like the story shared one time by our pastor. A student did everything to submit an excellent assignment. So when he received his grade, he was perplexed when he received an F as a grade. He went to his professor and asked why. His professor said that the work he did was well done, well researched, and presented excellently. So he got even more confused. The student asked again, why did I fail then? The professor replied, unfortunately, what you did was not the assignment. I'm sure you have experienced this too when deciding something crucial in your life. What I learned from this journey is that God will open your eyes if you have faith. He will not show you the entire plan and give you full confirmation up front because the focus must be on Him, not you. If you believe in Him and are doing it for Him, then failure is not something to fear.